In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Thai e-Visa 2026 using the official Thailand e-Visa website, and I'll walk you through everything you need in a clear and simple way. To begin, go to the official Thailand electronic visa portal and register for an individual account. This is the first thing you need to do before you can start any application. As you create your account, make sure the information you enter matches your travel documents exactly, since consistency is very important for visa processing. Once your account has been created, go ahead and sign into the Thailand e-visa system. After logging in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your applications, check updates, and continue any forms you've already started. From your dashboard, click on Apply for a new visa. This will open the application setup page, where you'll begin entering your travel and identification details. First, select the country or territory of your passport or travel document. After that, choose your current location. Then select the place where you will apply, which is usually the relevant Thai embassy or consulate based on where you are currently staying. Next, enter the purpose of your visit. Be careful here, because your purpose of travel should match the visa you intend to request. After that, add your travel document information, then select the visa type and confirm the purpose of visit again if prompted. Once everything looks correct, click Next to continue. You'll now move into the main application form. Start by filling in your personal information, enter everything carefully and exactly as it appears on your passport. Then add your travel document details, followed by your address information. After that, complete the employment details section. If any field seems formal or technical, take your time and read it carefully before entering your answer. Accuracy matters more than speed on this part. When those sections are complete, click Next to proceed. On the following page, add your travel information and upload your supporting documents. This is an important stage, so make sure your files are clear, readable, and match the requirements shown on the portal. Blurry scans, incomplete pages, or mismatched information can delay your application. Before submitting anything, review every section one more time. Double check spelling, passport details, dates, and uploaded documents so everything is complete and consistent. Taking a few extra minutes here can save you a lot of trouble later. And that's the full process for applying for a Thai e-visa in 2026 through the official website. Follow each part carefully and you'll have a much smoother application experience.